Good morning. Time now is 6:14 and we have some new weather alerts to tell you about. A wind advisory has been issued. Goes into effect today at 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. this evening because of those strong south winds gusting to 45 miles per hour at times today. Those winds are going to have to bring in a lot of moisture and a lot of very mild air for this time of year. So we're having all the ingredients are coming together for heavy rainfall, and because of that we also have a flood watch in effect. They did extend this to include Peoria and Fulton counties and points off to the east of the Illinois River where they could see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain by the time everything is said and done on Saturday night. So here's what we're looking at right now. All is calm. Folks making their way into work this morning on Interstate 74 looking at 42 degrees. Winds are out of the south at 18 miles per hour, making it feel just that much colder for us. So it's 42 in Peoria, but feeling like 34 right now with the wind chill. It's 39 in Galesburg, but feeling like 32. Meanwhile, still on the cool side out to the east right now, looking at about 35 with a wind chill of 24 over in the Twin Cities. So for today, we're going to see a lot of cloud cover for us as you're heading out for the lunch hour, though, looking at windy conditions, looking at maybe a mix of some sun and clouds, and a temperature around 52 degrees. And then we start to watch the rain showers moving in late tonight around 10:30. We'll start to see it really move on into the area, and this will be with us for much of the evening hours. Just seeing some light rain compared to what we're going to see tomorrow night, but this could give us maybe about a quarter inch of rain tonight. Then we'll just see pop-up showers throughout the day Friday before things really start ramping up as a second round of rain and storms move on through the area. 6:30 at night. Then look at this, 8 o'clock at night. We're looking at the oranges and reds indicating some moderate to heavy rainfall. This is when we could see maybe between 2 to 4 inches area wide, and then it changes over to maybe a little bit of some freezing rain out to the west of us. So folks in Galesburg, you might have a few slick spots going into Friday night into Saturday morning, and then it's going to move on through here and we're going to clear things out. But then it changes over to snow on the backside of things heading into our Saturday. And look at this, by 4 p.m. Saturday, we could still be seeing a little bit of some freezing rain around the area. Meanwhile, snow off to the north, and then it changes over to all snow going into our Saturday night. So this is going to have some pretty significant impacts on the air travel, the roads. So you want to make sure you really take your time if you are traveling this weekend. Let's talk about the impacts from this, though. Rainfall anywhere from 2 to 4 inches. Look at that, 2.85 in Peoria and on almost 4 inches over in Bloomington Normal. Then in terms of ice accumulation, we could see anywhere between a glazing to just maybe about 1/10 of an inch of ice, and that certainly could maybe take out some power lines or things like that, so keep that in mind. Snowfall accumulation forecast, the highest amounts are going to be off to the north and west in areas like Galesburg area. They could see between 2 to 3. Meanwhile, about 1 to 2 from Peoria over towards basically the McLean County line, and then about less than an inch, maybe just a dusting off to the east where it's going to be a lot later to see the snow change over. Then after that, we're back to 33 and calming down heading into next week.